Okie dokie. It's, let's say, ready. So window surround is ready. Of course, bang, bang, bang. Here, corners, etc. But it's ready. First of all, this was added first of all to support a bit overhead, and second to level the distance from, so I try to make a same distance from top to the bottom. Of course I can make a I can make a bit slope these parts, but it will be pain in the ass, so I decide to make it equal level, equal distance from top to the bottom to make easier this internal part. Second, this conduit is fitted in case I wanna fit here small socket or switch or something else, so I have to fit the pull wire here. I don't have such a plans right now, but maybe, yeah. Chassis body plate is parallel to this line, so when I will do the surround will be easier because I don't have to. Same is here, a piece of conduit with pull wire, because probably in 92.3% here in this area, yes, will be room stud or like a panel for Truma or whatever I want to fit. This is idea. Like I said, 90 few percent it will be here, so it's for this season is fitted. Okay, so it should looks like that. Of course it's not ready, just clamps keeping these two pieces, because this is two pieces, one piece orange laminate and second ply inside in carpet, so two separate pieces. Okay, so right now take out and do something which cover this space. Definitely this 5mm ply is too thick to make such a small radius. No, I haven't 3mm. This is two pieces of surround together. Of course it's not connected, just like a set to check if it's good size and good. Jesus, I expect it will be like a 2 hours, 3 hours bank. I sitting over it. All two parts. This piece, as you know, is a flexi ply. Should be 3mm in 2 layers, is from 5, so it was a bit tricky to do this. Carpeted. This distance is bit I hope is a bit bigger than distance between this level and window insert on this. Let's take a look how it will work. I hope it will be okay. So bad. So right now this is first try and it looks okay. Of course, when I push it down by screws here, I close this gap here. Right now it's a small gap, but when right now is no chance to clamp it. It's no, because it's insulated area, so I close this gap. The gaps are plus minus equal. It's good. For me looks okay. It's a few things to tweak. Good. Few things to tweak. Here I have to file a bit. Good. The top is not like a perfect here, but in worst case I should be a bit higher, to tell the truth, this the top edge, because when I later on when I fit the overhead, it will be gap here, so I have to close this gap with something. I don't know, I add like a LED light or just like a angle, but it's too early to talk about it. Of course I forgot multiple wires. More or less ready. I'm not happy with color of these orange caps. It's orange, but it's different orange. Now I'm gonna try if this bottom part fits here or you have to trim it down. okay, became a bit colder, still hot, warm, but not red hot like during the day. So to summarize, this part are made from like a, call it light plywood, is lighter than usually, 15 mil, and with ABS edging here, and of course from the bottom, because part is visible also. So if anybody are interested how to do it, is one my video on a channel about edge bending, so can be useful if somebody wanna copy just like how to edging the panel. This part is made from the standard, this part, top one, covered by carpet, is made by from standard 12 mil ply, plus on the top is a well trim. It's not forced thread, this is well trim carpet. So together it came to the 14 mil, something like that, even 15. Yeah. This internal part I talked about it earlier, is made from the flexi plywood, 5 mil thick, should be 3 mil, it's a 5, it's as is, yes. And of course this orange red caps, I'm not happy you don't see it right now. It looks very similar probably on video, but it's a bit different color and I don't like it, so I will replace it later on when I have some time for like a more orange than orange. It means I have to buy it in a shop, because when you buy it in internet you never know the color is true or not. And that's it. Earlier I made this surround insert, yeah, insert, because surround is all everything, so this insert is covered by vinyl foam bucket, like a 5 mil vinyl, and it's also on video. I don't know on which remember, but for sure is. So it looks like that. Of course, the best and the fastest will be to make all this full panel from one piece of plywood, but because this is 130 centimeters, 131 or 135, I don't remember exactly, this piece, it means I have to buy next sheet of ply. I don't want to do it from the standard ply because too many carpet inside, so you know, anyway it's cost me too much. It will cost me too much if I will buy, because it's over 140 quid for such a. Of course I get some offcuts, I can do something more, but you know, I try to keep on budget. So if you have any question, just ask me and I try my best to give you right answer.